Finnish lawmakers narrowly approved a controversial bill which allows border guards to turn away third country migrants attempting to enter from Russia. The aim of the bill is to introduce temporary measures which curb migrants from entering the Nordic nation, in response to what Helsinki sees as hybrid warfare from Russia. Their government says Moscow is funneling undocumented migrants to the border between the two countries to orchestrate an influx of immigration. It would allow border guards to reject migrant asylum applications at crossing points.
Tämä laki on varautumista siihen tilanteeseen, että Suomi joutuisi tulevaisuudessa jälleen hybridivaikuttamisen kohteeksi välineellistetyn turvapaikanhaun siirtolaisuuden myötä. Toivon, että tätä lakia ei koskaan tarvitsisi käyttää, mutta me olemme varautuneet ja me tehtiin se tänään yhdessä täällä.
The law is valid for 1 year and was approved by 167 Finnish lawmakers, the minimum needed for it to pass the 200-seat Finnish parliament. The law has been received controversially as opponents say it clashes with the Constitution of Finland, international rights commitments and pledges to the EU. Michael O'Flaherty, the Council of Europe Commissioner for Human Rights, had earlier expressed concern about the draft law and urged against its adoption.